In this video, I want to show you how to connect your iPhone to your HP SmartTank 6001 printer, how to print from your phone, and also how to get the scan results from here directly on your iPhone. So let's get started. First thing is to take a look at the top control panel of your printer. If you see the Wi-Fi button blinking blue, it means that the printer is currently in pairing mode. This is great. You don't have to do anything on it. If the Wi-Fi button is not blinking blue, you need to put it manually in pairing mode. And how do you do this? Well, make sure the control panel is turned on. Simply press on any button to turn it on. Press and hold the I button during 5 seconds. Then the whole control panel will be lit up. And finally, press and hold the Wi-Fi button and the X button for 5 seconds until the Wi-Fi light over here will blink blue. Now we can go to the second step, which is to take your phone, go on the App Store and search for the HP app. It looks just like this. HP made by HP Inc. Cannot be more simple. Open the app. You're going to press the plus button right over here on the top to add a new printer to the app. Set up a new printer. Here we go. It has found my HP SmartTank 6000 series. This is a 6001, but it's the same thing as a 6000 series. Just tap on it. Wait until it connects, and now you'll be asked to enter the Wi-Fi password of your Wi-Fi network. Press Done. It asks us to press the I button, so just press it once, and the setup on the iPhone will continue. Press Continue. Continue. Here you can press Accept All or Decline Optional Data. It's up to you. Now it will ask you to install the print heads, the paper, the ink. I have already done this, so just swipe. Then press Continue. If you didn't see the continue button over here, by the way, just wait about 3 to 4 minutes. The continue button will appear all of a sudden. I don't know why, but that's how it is. Here they will ask you if you want to auto-update the printer or simply notify you when there's an update and you can install it manually. It's up to you to choose. It's not important. Press Save. And over here it will ask you if you want to print a test page. I will show you how to print your own stuff and not waste ink on stuff of this nature. So I'll click on skip printing this page, press continue. And now we are on the main menu of the app. You're going to see your ink levels. And if you want to print something, just go down and you have print documents or print photo. Choose whatever you want to print. Let's say a document for this time. So here I have opened a PDF file simply by tapping on it. It was on my iPhone. And down below, you're going to have print preview. Tap on this. Okay, go down. Select the number of pages you want to, number of copies, sorry, you want to print. If you want to have the best quality, well, select best instead of normal. And if you're printing picture, I always suggest you select best. If you want to print in color, black and white, you want to print on both sides of the page, okay, and press print once you're done. The print will start. You can extend the paper output. And here is the result. Now let me show you how to scan and get the results on your iPhone. To use the scanner, open the scan lid. Take your document and put it facing down with the top part of your document towards the left side. Now we need to bring this corner of your document, the top left corner, with the top left corner of the scanner to make sure everything is properly align. Close the scan lid. On the app itself, you're going to go down and select scan. Over here you have entire scan area, but you can also choose exactly your page size. So in my case it's letter size and I just want this to be scanned and I can select it over here. You have the quality of the scan. If you're scanning some pictures, select 200 dpi or 300. If you're scanning a text document, 200 is enough. You don't have to go 300. Select if you want to scan in color or black and white. I will just keep it color. If I go back, I can press the scan button and the result will appear on my display in under, I would say, 13 seconds. Then once the scan is complete, it will bring you on this page. And I don't know why automatically they select a portion of your page if you just want to save that. But if you want to save the whole thing, simply press full and the full page will be highlighted, selected. Then press next. And here you can add more page to your document. Let's say you want to have a PDF document with 6 pages. Well, go ahead, put the next page in the scanner, press add, and you're going to have multiple pages. You can rotate the scan and do different things. And at the end, this is the most important because right now, this is not on your phone. It's not saved. It's just a preview. Well, you can print whatever you see there, but if you want to share or save it, press share save over here. You will be able to change the name of this document, so you can edit this, erase it, write anything, my homework, whatever. Select the file you want to save, so PDF or JPEG. Press the continue button, and now you can share it with your favorite contacts or airdrop the scan. You can save it or share it on your favorite apps. And if you want to save it on the memory of your iPhone, you have save to files right over here. So this is about it. This is how you connect and how to use your iPhone with your HP SmartTank 6001. If my video was helpful, all I ask you is to leave a comment, check my Amazon links if you want to get some ink, some paper, or even a brand new printer. Every time you go through my links, I get a very small commission and it helps my channel. Have a beautiful day and don't forget to subscribe.